Welcome to For the Love of MSTR. I'm Mr. Moneybags, and today I'm going to go over the major U.S. economic reports and Fed speakers. And after I do that, I'm going to give you my prediction on how I think the stock market will react to these reports. Our financial disclaimer: we are not financial advisors. Please trade at your own risk. And you can read our full financial disclaimer in the description of this video. With that being said, let's get started. All right, Monday, we had the monthly U.S. federal budget on January 13th. Tuesday, we got some PPI reports that are coming out, producer price index, and the Fed, they like this report. To them is one of the leading indicators of inflation because higher prices for producers often lead to higher prices for consumers. So it's coming from the perspective of the seller or the industry, while the CPI is coming from the perspective of the consumer. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, after these reports come out, we have some Fed speakers who are speaking. Not Jerome Powell. But some people may care about it. Some analysts may not care about them. But we have that on Thursday. We got initial jobless claims, some U.S. retails reports, some import price reports, and some surveys. Got home builder confidence index Friday. We got housing starts. We got building permits, industrial production, and capacity utilization. So I'm going to give you my prediction on how I think the stock market will turn out. On Monday, I believe the stock market will finish slightly down, almost flat, because I think investors and financial analysts will be nervous about the core PPI report that's coming out. And I believe that this report will finish in line with expectations. So I think it's going to be 3.2, somewhere around there. And I think it's going to be a good day for stocks on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we got the core CPI. And I believe the stock market is going to finish mixed. I can see the S&P 500 finishing up, but the NASDAQ finishing down. President Biden is enforcing some regulations on tech stocks like TikTok and NVIDIA. So I could see the NASDAQ finishing slightly down. It's just my prediction. Remember, no trading advice, no financial advice. On Thursday, I can see the stock market finishing up. I think the main report is initial jobless claims. I think it's going to finish in line with expectations. And I think the stock market is going to finish up. On Friday, I believe the stock market will finish up. So I think it's going to be a good day for stocks. There may be some profit selling for some stocks, but I think Friday going into the presidential inauguration, I think there's going to be a rally that will go on Friday. So what do you think? You think there's going to be a good day on Friday? Please put it in the comments. That's the end of our show today. If you find any value, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button so you can be notified every time we come out with a new video. I appreciate y'all watching till the end. Peace out.